Hello friends and welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. In previous videos, we were just working with C++. We have covered up the tutorial videos as well. And with that, we are also coming up the project series as well. But now, from today, we are starting another series here, which will be of data structure algorithm. So in this video, I will be telling you about data structure algorithm. And from today, we are starting the series of data structure algorithm as well by doing all the things which we were doing previously. Like we were working with C++, so we will be also working with C++ in future. But now I'm also starting the data structure algorithm series because I wanted to make sure that the person who is coming on my channel and learning things about different languages, he should also know about data structure algorithm because it is really important thing if we are doing programming, if we are starting with programming. So we have to first of all learn about data structure algorithm. We have to learn about the methods, the algorithm which is we are applying on programming, and different logics. I will be telling you about data structure algorithm, but in this video we will be just seeing the introduction, that how to start with data structure algorithm, what things you should learn before starting data structure algorithm, and all the other things as well. In this video we will be seeing about data structure algorithm. So just if you understand this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn about these amazing videos which I'm covering up on this channel and which will be coming up with future as well. And also share this video so more people can learn about these amazing things which we are covering on this channel. So now what we are waiting for, let's move to computer screen and let's get started with our first video of data structure algorithm from start. So now we are starting with our data structure algorithm first video, which will be of introduction. And in this video, I will be just telling you that what you have to learn if you're starting with data structure algorithm, all the other things as well, which you should learn about data structure algorithm if you want to learn it from start to end. So now I've just made one slide to show you that what are the things important if you're starting with data structure algorithm. So I will be opening the slideshow here and I will be starting it from beginning. So now, first of all, we have to see that what is this tutorial about. Basically, this tutorial is made to help you learn about data structure algorithm. And obviously, I have told you in start as well, we are creating this tutorial to help you that what is data structure algorithm, so you can learn about the things, different things in data structure algorithm, which we can learn fast and easily. And these animations which you are seeing is to explain the ideas along the way about data structure algorithm, that what are the ideas which you can use along the way in data structure algorithm. First of all, we have to learn about fundamentals. What are fundamentals in data structure algorithm? Understanding different data structure, basic algorithm concepts, and how they are used in programming. Because if we learn about fundamentals, if we have understand about different data structures, if we have understand about the basic algorithm concept, and if we don't know that how to use that in programming, so it is no use to learn that all things. So because of that, in this tutorial, you have to learn about these things, but you also know that not the thing is to learn only these things. After learning, you should also know that how we can use these things in programming, which is the main, you can say, focus here on this data structure series. And now moving on to the second slide here, I've written that after that, you will be learning about some of the complex data structure. Means when you have just covered up the basic things of data structure algorithm, then you will be starting to learn more complex data structure, which comes in intermediate level of data structure algorithm. So we will be learning about complex data structure like trees and graphs, and we will be also studying advanced sorting and searching algorithms. We will be also exploring some of the concepts like time, complexity, and more. These are some of the intermediate level things, and I understand that you are not understanding these all things because just I'm telling you these all things in like you can say in video. We are not doing it practically. After moving on like onto the code editor, we will be also doing that practically, and from that you will be having a more clear mindset about data structure algorithm, that what are the complex data structure, what are the trees and graphs in data structure algorithm, and different things like time, complexity, advanced sorting and searching algorithms we will be learning about. And this tutorial will also give you a solid foundation in data structure algorithm with an essential skill for any software developer. It means that If you want to become a perfect software developer, means a successful software developer, so it is not only to learn about programming. Like, it is not only to learn about the different programming languages like C, C++, then Python, JavaScript. It is not compulsory to learn these all languages. With these all languages, you should also learn about data structure algorithm. Not the whole thing about data structure algorithm, but you should have a solid foundation, like what is data structure, what are the basic things, what are complex data structure and trees and graphs in data structure. So these are some of the basic things which you should know about data structure algorithm if you are a perfect software developer or a successful software developer. And now moving on to the third slide, here we will be now understanding that what are data structures. We have learned about data structure algorithm, but now we will be learning about what are data structures. Like, what is data structure basically? Basically, a data structure is a way to store data. Like, if I give you an example that if I have written one data in a Word, like MS Word, in MS Word I've written one data and I want to store it in my data storage. So how I can store it? For doing that, I will be using data structure algorithm. Like, I will be saying to my data structure that this is my data, you have to store it in your data structure. So data structure will be saying that yes, I'm saving your data now in the data structure algorithm, and like that, your data will be saved in your data structure. And this is the way to store data in data structure algorithm. And if we want to structure data in different ways depending on what data we have and what we want to do with it. Like, if you want to store data in a different structure, like in a different way, so how you can do that? You have to use it with data structure algorithm if you want to save your data in different way with a structure of data. And if you want to do that with it, you can use data structure algorithm. Okay, but with that, you obviously have to use data structure as well. Not only with the algorithm you can store a data. For that, obviously, you have to use data structure, and this is called data structure algorithm. It is a way to store data in simple words. And if I tell you one example about data structure algorithm, that if we want to store data about people we are related to, we use a family tree as the data structure, which I've told you in previous slide, that we will be learning about different things like graph, trees, and the trees. Example of trees is like, we use a family tree as the data structure. We choose a family tree as data structure because we have information about people we are related to and how they are related, and we want an overview so that we can easily find a specific family member several generations back. With a family tree data structure visually in front of you, it is easy to see, for example, who my mother is. It is Ema, right? But without the links from child to parent that this data structure provides, it will be difficult to determine how the individual are related. Data structure gives us the possibility to manage large amounts of data. So basically, in short words, if I've told you that data structure gives us possibility to manage large amount of data efficiently for uses such as large databases and internet indexing services. Like, if you have created one website, like full stack website you have created, and you have to store the data of this website, so what you will use? There you have to use data structure algorithm to save the databases, to save the internet indexing services. You will be saving that all things using data structure algorithm. It can be in any language, not compulsory to use it with Python or JavaScript. You can use it with different languages, like there is C, C++, Java, C#. There are different languages data structure available. You can use any of the data structure of any language to store the data of your website. And data structure are essentially ingredients in creating fast and powerful algorithms. It also helps us to create fast and powerful algorithms. They help in managing and organizing data, reduce complexity, and increase efficiency. They increase efficiency and reduce complexity. So basically, this was the introduction video about data structure algorithm. This is a overview which I've given you about data structure algorithm, that how you can start with data structure algorithm, what you have to learn before starting data structure algorithm, and what are the important things which we will be learning in a start about data structure algorithm as well, and moving forward as well. So I hope you understand this video from start about data structure algorithm which we have learned. And if you understand this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn about these amazing things using different languages. So now I will be meeting in next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.